Welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of this 2020 Cobia 350 center console that we've just had come on the market. This boat's powered by a triple Yamaha 300 4-strokes with the Optimus joystick control. You can see in the transom area we've got 2 live wells, big fold-out bench seat, raw water and freshwater washdowns back here. We've got a real nice bait prep area in the backside of the leading post with a refrigerator, tackle trays, drawers, lots of extra storage, and a freshwater sink. We've got plenty of rod holders on this boat, outriggers, so you really spend a great day out on the water, whether you're fishing, cruising, kind of doing a little bit of whatever. The one neat feature on this boat, which makes this boat very unique, is that it is equipped with a Seakeeper 3 gyro stabilizer, which will give this boat over a 90% roll reduction in those rough seas. It makes it really nice and comfortable when you're out on the water. You also notice we've got fish boxes on both sides of the deck here. Dive door makes it real nice, easy entry as we walk into the cockpit. And then we've got a nice helm area with 3 helm seats, great Garmin electronics package with our multifunction displays, which we do have radar. We've got our traditional transducer, down view and side view. This boat's got less than 100 hours on there. As you can see, we're right around 94 right now. So we've got VHF radio, real nice ergonomics on the helm area here, easy access to the joystick control, Seakeeper remote, ignitions, lots of storage on the back side of the hardtop and the front side. Plus we've got a real nice vent that will open and close to let that fresh air through on those hot days. As you can see, we've got a little bit more storage down here on the floor as we work our way forward. Real nice area up in the bow. So we've got a big sun pad located in front of the console here with storage underneath. So we've got a built-in cooler, or just for extra odds and ends and gear, that kind of thing. We've also got cushions all the way around this bow area here. This is a table that'll drop up and down. So it makes it nice if you want to have a big sun pad, or pop the cushion off, raise this up. You've got either a casting platform or a real nice table to hang out at. We've also got some extra storage here on both sides of the console, so you can use these as coolers or for additional gear. To work our way around to the port side, we've got our cabin door access on the port side of the console. Real nice big opening. So we walk down inside. We've got room that'll accommodate 2 people to sleep in the berth. Freshwater pull-out sprayer shower here, and then we've also got our electric head. Lots of extra storage, easy access to the back side of the electrical panel down inside here too. So thank you again for taking a tour of this 2020 Cobia 350 center console. This boat does also include a trailer as well.